because I don't have a shift knob. Yeah, this is called stain gauge. You have a sensor in your shift knob, and when you pull it, the ECU read you're changing gear. Because Dogbox you don't have to push the clutch, right? So ECU need to know when you're gonna change the gear.
Oh, okay.
Because if you don't, so if you have shift knob, you can change the gear while you fully push the acceleration.
Power.
Yeah.
Oh, shift.
But if you don't have shift knob, you have to like. Yeah, it's slow. So you have.
This is not a sequential.
No, H pattern.
H pattern.
But it's the modified shift link. From G-force.
Nice. So you never use the clutch, or?
Never.
Oh.
Just only launch. So when you go first gear, when you go second gear, when you push to third gear, you can go to first gear. This one. Because a lot of people do 1-to-1. It's dangerous 1-to-1. I done it once time last year. Dangerous, like your back of the car like go up like that, and your engine will blow.
I have to say I'm most impressed of this top here. You made it yourself. You have Kevlar, or is it standard?
What?
This standard or Kevlar or what?
Standard. I only use the standard because I have this one.
Oh, okay.
This thing will help. I don't know. C18 is a chain or just is it a chain?
No.
It's this one. It's a belt.
The SR20 chain.
Yeah. But SR is stuck.